burning me up. Don't fight the fire.
Hello everyone, my name is Christian. In this video I'm going to prepare a delicious recipe. The recipe is tuna macaroni salad. These are ingredients. For it, I need 119 grams of macaroni, 210 grams of tuna, 1 can of corn, 1 diced tomato, 1 chopped carrot. For the dressing, I need mayonnaise, mustard, barbecue, salt, and pepper to taste. To start the recipe, we cook the pasta with a little salt. For the dressing that gives flavor to the salad, in a bowl mix the mayonnaise with the mustard and season with salt and pepper. Stir until ingredients are well included and reserved. After cooking the macaroni well, dry and let cool in the fridge. In a large container, empty the cold pasta, add the dressing that we prepare in the mix perfectly until the pasta is covered. At this point, you can taste and season if necessary. Add the corn, the chopped tomato, the grated carrot and the tuna, and mix until all the ingredients are completely integrated with the macaroni and the dressing. All that remains is to enjoy this delicious and simple macaroni and tuna salad.
Baby, I know that it's stronger than yesterday.